Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I will be making uni oyster shooters with the only ingredients I was able to find during this quarantine time. So please keep watching. When making oyster shooters, you always want to use small fresh oysters. But these were the only oysters I was able to find, and you can get these at your local Costco store. This is actually one of my first times eating oysters out of a can. And I will say it's pretty good. The only funny thing about these oysters is that they are humongous. I mean, huge for oyster shooters, but it is what it is. We have our oysters, fresh uni by Freakz, salted seaweed, lemons for garnishing, quail eggs, ponzu sauce, green scallions, salmon roe, Tabasco sauce for some heat, 1 small bottle of extra dry sake, and a more sweeter sake. And this is the brand of my ponzu sauce. All right, we're gonna do a taste test. You ready? Okay. The whole thing? It's a really big oyster.
I'll try it.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Mmm. This tastes good. Mmm. We definitely need to use a different cup because shooting this,
Too small at the mouth.
yeah, it's too small at the mouth and it was holding everything back.
That's all we got.
But this is all we got to work with, so that was good. I'm gonna make another one.
It's really good.
That was really, really good.
More alcohol.
Okay. Round 2, baby. Okay, I found a smaller cup, so this is what we're gonna try to use. This would make it easier to drink.